Hi there, this is George Kosh, and I wanted to talk to everybody about how to build a banner for any website on the internet, very basically using this place called Photor. So the first thing you want to do is to get to this link, you want to go to our image and ebook file hosting system, and we're just going to talk about the image part today. You're going to make a banner at no cost, and you can then host it on with World Profit, and you can use the banner anywhere and link it to any site that you want. Best thing to do is we'll start by just going to our Photor site, and you can see when you get in here you just want to do the design part, which takes you into an area called design and Photor, and you can basically start with anything you want. There's all kinds of different graphics in here, and obviously the best thing to do is to get into, say, like banner design, for example. So we've gone into the design area, and you can look, there's leaderboard is probably the best one to start with, because you can resize these later. But the reason I like leaderboard is they give you a whole bunch of options that just never really end. I do recommend you upgrade. It's about $30 a year, and it really is worth it. I've used this thing for many years now, and it's really incredible what you can make. Let's just start with, you can start with any one of these that you want, something maybe that follows the banner that you're going to make, maybe some of the colors, because you're going to change all of this. The banner I'm going to make for today is one of our safe lists here. It's called Ultimate Safe List Exchange. So I'm going to make a banner out of this, and I'm going to use Photor to do it. So I'll just grab this here, and we'll see what we can do with it. You can see already that there's all kinds of things in here, and you can move stuff around. You can take, move stuff away, put it back, and it's very easy to use because it's just you just slide, drag, drop, move, and have a lot of capabilities here. All of the fonts are already done. If you don't like something, just move it away or just delete it. It doesn't really get any easier than this. And what you'll notice down here is you have an ability to resize the image when you're done into like a smaller image, and it really does a good job. What I like to do though is I'm going to start with this, but I'm going to grab a portion of this and save it on my hard drive. And the way I do it is with in Windows, you just use it's called a snipping tool, and I did a shortcut to it on my desktop or on my taskbar here, because I like to I use it a lot because it allows you to just clip pieces of the web and then save them to your hard drive, which is really neat. You could just get there by clicking on the the run and then just type in snipping, and you'll find it on your. It's completely free. So what you can do is you grab new, and it's going to go here. And what I would do is I'm just going to grab this just for it looks nice, right? It just looks really cool. Ultimate Safe List Exchange, and you can see it's saved this. This isn't going to be my banner. I'm just going to use this image on Photor. So what you do is you just save it to your hard drive somewhere, and you can wherever you want to do, wherever you want to save it, and then you can use it. Like I could put it under pictures and just say Ultimate Banner Exchange, and it'll create it as a PNG file. So that's done. I don't need to worry about that anymore. So the whole point of that was to say, now what we can do with this is we can go up to the top, and it says, would you like to import? And I go, yeah, sure. And I import what I just created, right? So I go into my pictures, and there it is. Click on it and say open, and it will grab it. And now I can take it and I can move it wherever I want onto my image here. So if I take it, put it here like so, you can see it's all sized and everything. So now what I could do is just start moving stuff around and say, well, I like this moved over here and this moved over here, etc., etc. I can move the dollars over or just move them away and say, well, I don't want that, I don't want that, and then go from there. So you can see how this could turn out to be really neat. So you've got your stuff here. You could put your whatever website you want. This could be like your main site here. You could type it up, or you just get rid of it and keep these here. So say that I just, for the sake of this saving some time here, I'm not going to go through a whole design, but you can see how you could just integrate this in there really easily. And then you just hit resize and say custom, because whatever your banner is going to be, it could be 468 And you're already seeing how nice this is, because you could just do anything with this, and you say apply it, and it changes it. And then you say apply to the new design. It'll do its thing. And so you want to view it. You can see what it's done. Created it in there for me, and you can see how it's resized everything, but it's kept everything very clear. See how it's changed all the fonts? So you didn't really lose anything. And now if you change your mind with something, you say you don't want that hand there, you can get rid of it. And you just resave it. So then what you can do is we can save the image here and call it USE banner. And you can save it as PNG and say download it. And so my banner is done. And I can of course save this onto my hard drive for posting. So here it is right here. So I can say show this in my folder. And there it is right there. Okay, so it's under my downloads, but I can take it and say copy it and put it under my pictures. So this is my, sorry, I just want to look at paste there. Okay, so you see my USE banner. Really cool. So we're done with that. We just go back over to the member area and slide over here, and here's where we choose our file. And there it is right there. And we're going to call this USE banner, because Ultimate Safeless Stream. This doesn't have anything to do with the banner. This is just so that you know what it's called. Put it there. And then we go, after it saves it, we're going to go down to the use. There it is, use banner. Just take a look at it. So this is now your link. This is your banner, and this is your link to the banner. Okay, so this is going to be used all the time. And you could put this in any exchange, any safe list when they say what is the image of the banner. So you can copy that to your clipboard if you want and use it. Now the other thing is if you need like a full coded banner or something, you know, you wanted to add that to, for example, your website, the affiliate center or anything like that. My little trick is I just take this and I copy it. And I go over into, say, my website management, and just grab the editor. You just want to have an editor, so we're not actually going to create a page. We're just going to borrow the editor for a minute. Click on that. You can see here, this is the part that I really like, is because you can create a image here, and this is for when you do all the code. Like there's the image to the banner, and you can put text in if you want. But here's the thing: you can put the link here. And this will be the link to where you're going to link to. So say for example we want to go to Ultimate Safelist Exchange.com, and then your ID, whatever your ID is, you would put at the end. All right, and you can, I wouldn't set any target, don't make anything too complicated. So there you go. And then what you do is you click on source, and this gives you the code that you could use anywhere for the whole thing. Like if somebody said, what's your code? You could do this, and you can put it right here. You could take this and put this on your website if you wanted. So you could take the whole thing and go into the affiliate center, which is under website management here. You see it right there. So we've already got that copied, and you can also save this to Notepad on your computer. And you could go in here and you can add it to the footer because it's a long banner. So I'm just going to grab this footer one here because I don't want to use that one anymore. Okay, so there's one. And as you can see, I've done this before. Put that in there, hit save, and let's see what it looks like. See that? There's your banner. You can make banners of any size that you wish. So if I went back here and I said, okay, I want to use Fotor for another banner. It's unlimited what you can do with this thing. You could just say, well, let's go design, and you can spend probably an hour in here just having fun. But the fundamentals are that you can make any banner that you want with these guys. They have everything. They've got diplomas, they've got certificates. There's just too many things to explain. You can put channel art. This is where I did all of my channel art for our YouTube channel and our Facebook pages, because they have everything already made. Like there's Facebook. You can, if you see this one right here, this looks just like World Profits, because I got it from there, and I don't like working. I'm very lazy when it comes to graphics, and you can rest assured this is the laziest way to create any kind of image or banner on the net, and it's definitely the future because everything just changes so easily. Okay, so hopefully this helped you, and if you have any questions, all you have to do is look for that little support button up here, and we'll be happy to help you with anything that you need help with. Okay, thank you.